With love, kindness, a complete makeover, and
Big fat pussy, Mufasa.
he turned her into a true blue Smurf. And that is how our darling Smurfette came to be.
What's poppin'? Period.
Holy moly.
Hi, Smurfette.
Oh, I wish I had that hair.
You wish.
How is her hair still dry?
This is human, mama. I don't play with that cheap shit. Like, what do you mean it's... Why you keep staring to me like that? I'm gonna whoop your ass.
It's alive! Run for the hair! Don't kill the hair!
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So, on today's video, y'all, listen, I might look crazy, okay? But I'm gonna come through with a tutorial. Maybe you wanna dress up as Smurfette for Halloween, for a party, like you wanna surprise your kids, you wanna do cosplay or yada yada yada. This is my version of Smurfette, and what do y'all think about it? I look good, you know. I had a little fun. Actually, I dressed up for this because I'm about to react to a new Drag Race episode. So please watch that video after this. This video is gonna come after, I guess. So if you wanna know how I turned myself into a Smurfette from the Smurfs, then keep on watching. Hello guys, okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera. You should do the eyebrows as your eyebrow shape. I am doing brown eyebrows because she has like very dark eyebrows, like they're almost black. So I decided to do my regular eyebrows. Then before starting with the eyeshadow, what I did, and you guys should do it your own way, is prime your eyes with primer or concealer, and then on the perimeters put the blue paint. I'm gonna show you the blue paint when I get to it, but just do the perimeters because when we're gonna put the eyeshadow in, that gotta blend in with the blue, and you gotta start that way. So after that, we're gonna get into the eyeshadow. So we're gonna start with I'm gonna use first the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Supreme. So try to get a very subtle pink, like this one, a very subtle pink, only for the outdoors. So with that one in, we gonna go in. Ooh, she's pigmented. Once Supreme is out there looking cute, we're gonna go in with a fuchsia shade. So I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly, the Norvina All-in-One palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade A5. Just get any fuchsia shade, that's gonna do the trick. And you're gonna blend that in. Okay, once you got that bright pink making a statement, we're gonna darken that up, and we're gonna go with a purple bluish shade, like the darkest purple you can find. That's gonna be great. And we're gonna darken that up. We're gonna start here. We're gonna darken her up. Once you got that darkened up, you're gonna cut the crease. So I'm using the ABH primer to cut the crease, and we're gonna do a middle cut crease for this one. Okay, so now we're gonna grab the Bredman Rock palette, and we're gonna go in with the shade Coconut Connoisseur, and we're gonna put it in the middle. Now that you have that there, we're gonna go in with the fuchsia shade, and we're gonna put it lightly in the middle. Okay, now we're gonna blend the purple shade with the pink shade and blend them together. So now I'm gonna go in with the Huda palette, and I'm gonna go into this shimmer shade, this shimmer pink. I'm gonna coat the brush with that shade, and we're gonna use Fix Plus, the tart one, and we're gonna where is it? Here. We're gonna see how it looks on the eye. Let's hope it works. Now we're gonna do the eyeliner, and I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. eyeliner. Okay, you guys, so I'll do the other eye off camera and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back and I put on a wig on, kinda half of it because I don't need all of it, and I'm gonna wear a Smurf, so I'm not gonna go all the way in. Let's continue. So, what I'm gonna use is the Mehron makeup, and what you basically do is, I mean, you can use any face paint you have. So if you have blue face paint, just use that. I'm using this, and I mix these two, and then it doesn't matter, you can just wipe it off. So don't mind if you mess up the color, you just wipe off. And then yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do for the face, and we're gonna start with like this. We're trying to get this light blue and get it all over the face. So I'm gonna try to get that color. That's okay. I want a little bit lighter though. Okay, that is great. We put it all over the face, and I'm gonna go in with a sponge. So once you have the face done, just paint blue wherever your skin is gonna show. So basically I'm gonna paint my neck blue and my hands because I'm gonna put on a jacket, so I'll be back. Okay guys, so we're back. Obviously I'm not gonna wear this, I'm gonna wear something else, but until we're done, I'm gonna be wearing this t-shirt. So what we're gonna do now is we gotta highlight, and a lot of people are just like eyeshadow, but I can make a little bit lighter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a small sponge, and I'm gonna mix my paint until I get a lighter version, and I'm gonna highlight. Y'all see that highlight? Ooh, better than some girls' concealer, girl. Smurfette is period. So now that we have that done, I'll finish with the bottom. So now that that's done, I'll finish with the bottom, and I'm gonna go with the purple, and we're gonna smoke that eye. Now I'll use a white shimmer. You can use any white shimmer. I really love this. Wet the brush a little bit. You don't have to use your tongue, but it does what it's supposed to do. And you're gonna pop that inner corner, baby. Once your eye is just put your lashes and mascara as you like, as you choose. I'll do that off camera and I'll be back. Okay, I just put lashes. I didn't put mascara because I don't like crazy lashes like that, and these lashes are crazy. And if I put mascara, they're gonna be too much, and I don't like that. So now you're gonna get an eyeshadow palette that has a lot of blues in it. I'm using the Norbina Volume 2. It's Volume 2 or Volume 3? I think it's Volume 2. Volume 2. And then we're gonna test on your arms. So I'm gonna go in with like, don't go too far, just trying to go slow and see how it goes. We're going to contour the nose first. That's looking cute. I'm not using the darkest shade, I'm using this shade, which is obviously darker, to give definition. The Smurfette got them nose snatched, honey. I might as well start using this brush for contouring. That ended up pretty nice. So, some of the paint washed out. Okay, we're looking kind of rough, but girl. Now I'm gonna contour the cheeks, and Now that we got that cheeks cut and fine, we're gonna go in with the neck. And obviously I'm not contouring the forehead because I'm gonna cover it. Yeah, I'm gonna cover it for sure. So okay, so we're gonna go with blush. I'm going a little bit strong with blush. I'm gonna go with this pink shade. I'll go very softly. Just a subtle brush, you know. That's all we need, guys. That's all we need. Highlight. I don't know, you guys. Now that I'm another skin tone, maybe another highlights would work. Let me use the Rihanna one. So I'm gonna go in with some Fenty Beauty, some Diamond Bomb, you guys. This thing is amazing. We're gonna make Smurfette. That's how you pronounce it? Smurfette? Smurfette? I don't know what's her name though. Oh, y'all see that? Oh, child. I want more. I want to. I'm looking mad pretty. I noticed the eyebrow needs a little bit more of detail. It looks like you really need a dry sponge to blend. For lips, I'm gonna do my old trick. I want some, you know, I want some pink fantasy. So I'm putting like pink shimmer on my lips. And now I'm gonna put a gloss, a pink gloss, Pretty Please by Rihanna on it. Okay, everybody, this is the final look. Are we feeling her? This is the craziest transformation I've ever had. I become into a Smurfette. I've never watched the new movies, but I remember as a child, I loved the OG Smurfs. I live for them, but for some reason I never watched the new versions of it. I might give it a try now. So I actually did this look because every time I go do a drag race reaction, I want to do like a little bit of drag. I don't want to just be like a random person criticizing beautiful drag queens with like a blank t-shirt. I wanna serve some looks, you know. I don't have much clothing, but when it comes to makeup, I have the skills, I guess. I love how the eyes turn out, how the skin, like this is my first time doing like cosplay or something like that, and I'm very happy with the result. So I hope if you are planning to dress up as Smurfette for Halloween, or you're just like, this is me in quarantine, like day 3 quarantine, I don't know what else to do. I was like, let me turn myself into Smurfette, the baddest Smurf, period. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you're enjoying my new videos. Like, it's mostly makeup lately, but bear with me. If you want other type of comment, leave a comment down below, and I really appreciate that. So I love y'all. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to follow me on my IG. Bye.